Tesla looks to make a big splash with Robotaxi in a new market. Tesla is looking to make a big splash with Robotaxi in a new market, as the company was spotted testing validation vehicles in one region where it has not yet launched its ride-hailing service. After launching Robotaxi in Austin in late June, Tesla followed up with a relatively quick expansion to the Bay Area of California. Both service areas are operating with a geofence that is expansive. In Texas, it is 173 square miles, while in the Bay Area, it is roughly 400 square miles. Tesla has been transparent that it is prioritizing safety, but it believes it can expand to basically any geographical location within the United States and find success with its Robotaxi suite. CEO Elon Musk said it could be available to half of the USA population by the end of the year. There have been plenty of reports out there that have speculated as to where Tesla would land next to test Robotaxi, and Nevada, Florida, Arizona, and New York have all been in the realm of possibility. These regions will need to approve Tesla for regulatory purposes before Robotaxi can officially operate. Tesla is still testing and performing validation in several regions, and in Tempe, Arizona. Things are moving forward as a Model Y with a litter rig was spotted performing ground truth for the platform. Just caught Tesla Robotaxi test vehicles cruising in Tempe, Arizona. Rollout coming soon. With the litter unit, many followers of the self-driving and autonomy space might wonder why Tesla uses these apparatuses during validation, especially considering the company's stance and vision-based approach. Litter is used for ground truth, which is basically a solidification or confirmation of what the cameras on the car are seeing. It is a great way to essentially confirm the accuracy of the vision-based suite, and will not be used on Robotaxi units used within the ride-hailing suite. The Robotaxi platform was made available to the public earlier this month as Tesla launched its app for iOS users. Tesla Robotaxi app download rate demolishes Uber, Waymo all-time highs. Downloading the app allows you to join a wait list, giving you the opportunity to utilize and test the Robotaxi platform in either Austin or the Bay Area. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.